Hello guys, my name is Kenya from Kraus, USA. Today we're going to take a look at the Bolden KPF-1610 faucet. But before we do that, let's get into the unboxing. Inside the faucet, you're going to have your instruction manual with the name of the faucet that you've just purchased. Into that, you're going to have your Kraus registration card. And thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact our customer service line. All Kraus faucets are going to come wrapped in a plastic bag here. Let's take that off. They're all going to have your hot and cold water lines. In addition to that, your supply lines. The weight for the pull down, and I'll get into that in a little while, and your spray head. Let's take a look. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the plastic cover that's at the end of the hose. The plastic cover is going to slide right off. Going to remove your spray head. And just simply screw it on. Another beautiful thing is the super long 20-inch retractable and flexible hose. Hose can go anywhere, it can cover any part of the sink. But one of the best features to me would be the handle, the 90-degree handle. Out to on, it's a cold start, down for hot. You no longer have to worry about the backsplash clearance. This 90-degree handle is super amazing. This faucet is going to come in 5 finishes. You're going to have chrome, stainless steel, matte black, chrome and stainless steel and matte black. Let's take a look at the functionality. Kenya here from Kraus, USA. We're going to take a look again at the Bolden KPF-1610. The finish you see here is the chrome and stainless steel version. As I mentioned before, you're going to have the spray head, you're going to have the rocker switch, and I'll demonstrate how these work. You're going to have the 90-degree handle, down for hot, back up to cold, in and out for on and off. You no longer have to worry about backsplash clearance. See how it functions. So again, we're going to open it up. Water's on. We're going to go all the way down for hot, back up for cold, on and off. In addition to that, you're going to have the spray to stream function. At the flip of a switch, your spray, back down for stream, spray, and it resets itself on off. So as you see, you turn the water back on, it's back to stream, spray, and you'll also notice the rocker switch will actually reset itself when you turn off. One of the other cool features of this faucet is the super long and flexible hose. As you turn that on, you can cover the entire sink. You can put that back in its housing, back off. These easy to clean rubber nozzles make it super easy to prevent water buildup or calcium buildup as well. This dual function spray head makes this one of my favorite Kraus. Live beautifully.